I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you a lady, but at home.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year only.
Hey teammates, so let's get into today's video. So first thing we're doing is starting off with skin prep. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down my skin with Witch Hazel. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my moisturizer, which all the products I'm using will be listed down below in the description box. Prime my skin with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and also add an extra step. This is the new Morphe setting mist, and this is for prep and setting. So smells really good, by the way. Okay, I'll give you guys more thoughts on that a little later. So now we're going to jump into my flawless base application. I do have a detailed video on how to just get a flawless base. But first I'm starting off with my foundation. You guys know I love the NARS foundation. I'm in shade NARS, and I'm just going to smooth that into my skin with the Real Techniques brush that I got from Marshall's. You guys know I love a good deal. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and just push this into the skin with another Real Techniques foundation brush. So here I'm going to go ahead and take the Tarte concealer. Now this is new to me, not new to you guys. I've never used Tarte. So if you guys haven't watched my makeup shopping vlog, definitely watch that after this video is over. I did take you guys with me makeup shopping to my favorite store, Ulta. We also did go to Sephora, but I bought a lot of new makeup products, and you know, why not go shopping with your girl Team Stacie? Like, we just love that. I love shopping and y'all love watching me shop, so let's just do it together, period. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in. The brushes I'm using is mainly from Real Techniques. A lot of my brushes are from Shein as well, so if you are looking for some dupes for your Real Techniques brushes, I would say go to Shein. But also if you want the real deal but an inexpensive version, I don't know if your Marshalls holds it, but my Marshalls, girl, my Real Technique brushes, they're not $20 for a big pack anymore. They're $7.99. So right here, I told you guys boo because I was looking very much like a ghost. I have been walking my dog in the sun, and I live in South Florida, so I have a little tan. But you see right now, we're adding some warmth into the face. I'm taking my black Opal I don't know what I was about to say. My black Opal contour stick. Oh my god, I can't talk. Somebody tried to tell me I have a slur today, and I don't care. Like, sometimes I talk a little fast, and that's on period. Y'all not about to make me feel bad about how I talk, okay? Period. Anyways, I got this new Juvia's Place blush, and I was so excited to try this out. So freaking excited. So I forgot the name of this color. It's like something petals, but it was so freaking cute. Do you guys see? Like, look at that. Look at that beautiful color. Like, I'm obsessed. Okay, so these blushes were only $18. I got two shades. I got one that's like a coral shade, and then I got this really pretty pink shade. I'm obsessed. You guys need to go try it out because I love it. I just feel like it just adds to that soft skin, natural, coming from within. Like, that's what this blush just does for me. So right now I'm just really trying to blend this in because you guys know I don't like my blush looking too crazy. But anyways, after our skin is nice and flawless, now we're going to go ahead and go in with our powders. Before I use any setting powders, I like to use a face powder. So I'm taking my face powder from MAC Studio Fix, putting that all over where we put my concealer. And now I'm going to go in with my translucent setting powder from Mercier, and I'm just going to push this into my skin. Push it into the skin until you can't see any powder, and then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to bake where you're going to see the powder just sitting on the top. Okay guys, so one thing that I need to tell you guys with your makeup, any cream that you put down needs to be accompanied with a powder on top of it. This is just for setting purposes and making sure your makeup is not sliding everywhere. So I took a little bit of bronzer and put it over my contour, and now I'm taking a little blush and putting it over my cream blush, and then I cleaned it up with my my setting powder. So here I'm doing my eyebrows. If you guys want a detailed tutorial, I do have one that's already on my channel, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But we're just lining my brows with my favorite brow pencil. It's literally like $3.99 from Walgreens. It is the Wet n Wild what is it, the Ultimate Brow, I think? Yeah, like from Wet n Wild, super cheap, but love it. Nice micro pencil. Alright guys, so next up we're going to move into the eyes. So I didn't even prime my eyes with a concealer, no base, no nothing. We're just going straight into it. Sometimes you don't have to follow all the rules, okay? It's just the eyes. We're just throwing some eyeshadow on there. I'm taking my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm literally just taking that brown shade that I showed you guys and blending that in. This brush is from Amazon, by the way. After we blended out that brown shadow, now I'm just taking a white shadow and I'm just packing that onto the crease. It does look like a fall kind of vibe, but I feel like brown spice, like a brown eyeshadow, is just good for any occasion. It looks good on everybody. It's just a nice soft kind of look and very easy to achieve. So today I am going to go ahead and do a wing liner, which I have an old video on how I do my wing liners, and you guys can go ahead and check that out. But if you need an updated one, I can show you, because I don't know, wing liners are so easy for me, but there once was a time where this was very, very hard for me. So if you are in the beginner stages of your makeup, take your time and just re-watch the video over and over and over until you feel comfortable and trying it yourself. And then also keep in mind, these are the type of like eyeliner, liquid liners I like to use. The type of like tip matters. I like that type of tip. I forgot what that's called. I think it's a felt tip. I don't really like the pens, but it's up to you. Anyways, after we did our bottom liner, now I'm going to go ahead and dust off the excess powder with my face powder that's from MAC. I feel like I'm talking so much and so fast. Like, I feel like now I'm self-conscious on how I talk, which I hate that, because people really are so negative and they always try to bring you down. And like, now I feel like I just talk too fast, but I don't know, whatever, to hell with them. Next up, after I dusted off all the powder, y'all, I went to go do my lashes. Don't judge me for using bonding glue, but y'all, that bonding glue was whooping my butt. Like, I spilled it first of all over my lashes. Then y'all know, if you use bonding glue, sometimes it be burning a little bit when you put it on. So oh my god, only God can judge me. Anyways, I put on my lashes. These lashes are from Amazon. I love these lashes. The only thing is sometimes they do get squished in shipping. I hate that, and I need to find lashes that are inexpensive that come in a big lash kit but that aren't going to get squished. So this lip gloss that I'm using is from my Team Stacie Cosmetics collection, which will be launching soon. It's still in the process of getting released, so stay tuned for that. If you're ready to shop that, definitely drop down below some shopping bags so I know you guys are like gang and y'all is ready to shop my collection, because y'all see my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is popping. Okay, and to top my lip gloss, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Sine Cosmetics. This is their Baddie gloss, and I'm gonna just go ahead and just make my lips more glossy, more popping. So now we're back to the Morphe setting spray. Y'all, I really do like this. I really do like it. I feel like my makeup came out gorgeous, and I felt like it was great that this could start as a prep and then also finish as a setter. So I really liked it. I love the smell. I love Morphe and how they mist their makeup. So I don't know, I'm definitely gonna have to try it out more, wear it longer, see how it holds up compared to their continuous. But so far, you guys see how I'm looking. I see how I'm coming, looking so freaking bomb. I literally love this look. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike. Give the video a big thumbs up and comment this below if you made it all the way to the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.